Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing the essentials so you can print immediately. First, target the correct NET runtime and ensure the printer is installed and accessible. Then design a minimal receipt layout, store name, item rows, totals, and a footer so you know what to render. Next, add the imports for system, drawing, and system. Drawing, printing and instantiate a print document. Once done, wire up its print page event. That event is where you will draw text and lines onto the page using graphics. Now you implement the drawing logic that makes the receipt legible. Use graphics. Draw string to render each field and measure string to calculate positions and wrap text. This prevents overlap. Make sure you select readable fonts and compute left/right alignment for prices and totals and respect print document. Default page settings. Margins so things don't clip. Loop through your items, increment a Y offset, compute running totals, and check available vertical space. If you reach the bottom, set E. Has more pages equals true to continue printing onto the next page. To finish, trigger the print job and verify the output. You can call print document. Print for direct printing or display a print preview dialog so you can inspect layout first. This saves paper. Test with several sample receipts and paper sizes to confirm alignment and scaling, and catch exceptions during print page or print to log messages. If the result shifts or looks blurry, make sure to adjust margins and DPI settings and use graphics. Translate transform to fine-tune coordinates. This resolves most alignment issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.